Black Ops 6 Zombies Vault as fast as possible. To open the vault, head to the very center of the map inside of the bank. On the far right, you'll find a counter with a sticky note on it with a number in the first of 3 positions. Remember this, then head out to the left all the way to the northeast side of the map into the comic book shop, and in the center of these counters, you'll find another digit in the 2nd position. Then head all the way back to the south center of the map, the bowling alley just next to the bank, all the way to the countertop where you'll find some drinks on the counter. Smack them or shoot them and take note of the number in the 3rd position. Then head back to the bank, to the left, to the vault, and punch in the digits. Zombies won't attack you while you're typing things in. Once you've done so, the vault will slowly open. Once it's ajar, you can interact to head into the vault, where you'll get 40-ish seconds of peace and quiet. Use keys that you find from manglers and other high-tier zombies on the lockboxes for varying tiers of loot and rewards. Once you've hit F to unlock a lockbox, hit F again to interact, and inside you'll find items and rewards of varying quality based on whatever kind of key you put into it. The position shouldn't really matter. Once you exit the vault, there'll be a blast pushing zombies back, so at least you don't need to worry about being crowded here. Anyways, that's it for this quick guide. My name's been Troubleshoot. Ciao.